So hello दोस्तों, myself Vikas Shukla and we are here to continue basic part of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So basically I did one minor mistake in previous lecture, so that I need to correct here. In previous lecture I told that uh, class loader is basically load the class and verify the class, and what verify the checked exception. So I think in previous lecture I told it verify before generating the bytecode. That I was wrong. It verify, class loader will load the class and verify the class with bytecode before generating the machine code will generate here. So before generating the machine code, it verify the checked exception. That's why it is Java is more secure. Like suppose class not found exception. So class not found exception will send from here only and before generating the machine code. That is the one example. So that I need to correct. I need to correct that check exception will throw before generating the machine code, not before generating the bytecode, because inside JVM is coming whatever coming JVM, inside JVM coming bytecode. So basically how Java will work. So it work like this, means whatever the .java file, if you have .java file, then it compile after java c means how you can compile java c and whatever the class name, it create the .class file, and .class file will go to the JVM. Okay, so .class file will go to the JVM. So compiling is the Java compiler काम, but to run the program is the JVM. So that's I need to correct it. So that so I going to one quick recap which we saw in previous lecture. What we say that when inside Java code it load the classes for user defined classes and Java API, and then it verify what it verify the checked exception and Java native code also. I'll explain how it verify the Java native code, and then bytecode will go to the execution engine is basically convert this bytecode to machine code, and machine code give to the operating system. So now come to that part. Other full architecture of this JVM. So let me have other slide which I need to explain. So yeah, this is sorry, no, this one is not. Close this one. Okay, so this one is the basically full architecture of JVM. So it's loading. Here, so you can see basically JVM is defined in three parts. One is class loader, one is runtime data area, other one is execution engine. So class loader, I'll already explain what it do, what class loader job is. Now what job of the runtime data area? So runtime data area basically contains five things. One is method area, one is heap, one is Java stack, one is PC register, one is native method stack. So what method area will contain? Method area will contain basically class level variable and static, whatever the static that contain method area. Heap basically contain the object means object for all, means and reference. Like suppose if you are using the array list, string, and your own created class object, so that that came inside the heap. Java stack will basically contain the method variable, whatever the method you are using, that variable will came here in Java stack. PC register, you all, I think if you know about the operating system, then what PC register will do? PC register will do, take the address of next execution. Means address, PC register take the address of next execution, so that PC register can take. And native method stack will basically contain the main, if you are using native language inside the Java, so that method and variable came inside the native stack. So here I am just giving one important thing. Apart from this, these three are thread safe. These three are thread safe. These three are thread safe. These two are not thread safe. So when we write the code, then we learn each and everything from the code wise, what variable is going inside method area, what variable is going heap, what variable is going in Java stack, what variable is going in PC register, what variable is going inside method area. For time being, you just learn this part is defined in 5 parts. One is method area, heap, Java stack, PC register, and native method stack. Apart from this 5, these 3 are thread safe. And then it came to the execution engine, and execution engine called the native method interface, which I already explained in previous lecture. Now one thing which I need to explain, that here I told you that class verifier will verify checked exception and some memory. So let me open the paint and I'll try to explain you how Java, why Java is more secure than the C and C++. So suppose this is your RAM size. Okay, suppose this is your RAM size. This is your RAM size. So this is your whole RAM size, and if you are installing the Java on your operating system, so Java will take the some part, very less part of the memory, that is called Java sandbox. It is called Java sandbox. So Java use only this part of memory. Java use only this part of the memory. But if you are using the native keyword, and inside means native keyword is basically used to write non-Java code inside Java. Suppose if you are using the native keyword, and if you are using the pointer of C and C++, suppose you are writing C and C++ code inside Java, and you are writing the pointer. So what pointer is? Pointer basically take the address of other variable in term of C and C++. So if you are using native keyword, so that pointer of C++ can use this part of memory, can use this part of memory, can use this part of memory also. So if it is only pure Java code, means there is no native, then Java know that okay, I need to use only this part of memory, Java sandbox. But if you are using via native C and C++ code, then it C++ code can use any part of memory, this part, this part, this part. So that part will not verify by the class loader. It verify only Java code. Like suppose sometime you got one error, and that is called out of memory error. So out of memory error is also thrown by here only, means before generating the bytecode. Bytecode will generate before generating the machine code will generate here. Here execution engine will generate the machine code. This guy is generate the machine code. But here what is coming? Here coming bytecode. So your out of memory will throw here only, not from here. So that's why Java is more secure, because check exception will throw here, out of memory error check exception, like suppose class not found. Class not found exception will come. It doesn't mean that machine code is created. It throw from here only, means from bytecode only it throw the error. Check exception, class not found exception, and memory. So apart from this, we go, when we write the program, we go one by one and learn this all thing. So far what we learn this thing, how Java will work. Java basically, see that when Java file, when you are compiling, it created the class file, and class file will go to the JVM. Now what inside JVM is going on? So JVM contain not Java file, JVM contain not byte code, JVM contain only class file. It Java compiler job. See guys, this both are different. JVM is different, Java compiler is different. Okay, so class file will came to the JVM, and now JVM will do, let it do the quick recap. It load the classes, it load two part, which previous lecture I already explained. One is whatever user defined class, and whatever Java you are using, means Java library if you are using, that it load, then it goes to class level variable, and static will go in method area. One more, and object variable will go inside heap, method variable go inside Java stack, and PC register contain the execution of next address, and native will take the native part, and then it go to execution engine. That execution engine contain more thing, but we'll explain as we move further. So this is the basically basic of Java JVM, basic of JVM. So guys, I told you that if you want to learn JVM, so there is means more, then you have to learn the book. That name is, I'll told you, Biniers, I think. Name of writer is here, the document I have taken from JVM. So if you want to learn the book, then you can learn inside JVM. A name is Bill Winners. So if you want to learn only basic part, just read chapter 1 and chapter 5, that is okay. So this is the basic part of JVM which we completed, and we learn more when we write the code, that how JVM will store the data, and how JVM is so far here we learn JVM, how JVM is secure, because it some verify part is here before generating the machine code. In next we learn how JVM is thread safe, and means how Java is thread safe. And from programming perspective, we start the program in next lecture. Then we learn how data will store in method area, how data will store in heap, how data will store in other parts. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please comment, I'll give the answer. Thank you.